Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Batt and welcome to my course Creating Interactivity with JavaScript Based Bootstrap Components. I am the head trainer at learningdojo.net. One of the strengths that Bootstrap has is its many default components. Some components are basic components, but others give you the adjustable options and interactive behavior. This course is all about those adjustable components. We're going to explore the components that allow us to adjust options, use default methods, and events on the component all within JavaScript. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include messaging components. This includes tooltips, popovers, and toast components. Content components, like collapses, image carousels, and scroll spice. Modal component. We'll dive deep into using the modal component to display additional content. Options, methods, and events. This will allow us to add additional interactivity to each component. By the end of this course, you'll learn how to build, adjust, and customize each of these JavaScript-enabled components. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You should also know how to lay out basic pages in Bootstrap. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Bootstrap JavaScript components with the Creating Interactivity with JavaScript Based Bootstrap Components course at Pluralsight.